Here's a video of my 1981 Briggs Conserver, finally installed with a black Bemis open front round commercial seat. Yeah, no, that was a mouthful. You can see right down there, I still got a seal around there. I just left it like that just to make sure it wasn't leaking after a few flushes. I think actually has a pretty good flush on it, I must say. But, you know, with the style tank and everything, I think the black seat looks sharp, and I got black bolt caps to kind of coordinate with it. One thing is, this video, we're going to flush it with a flapper. I also have a Mansfield 210 flush valve. And early to mid 1980s 400A Fluid Master and Mansfield handler. So I'm thinking possibly going with a Mansfield flush valve for this toilet. So, all right, let's give it a flush, and I will show you the inside of the tank. May seem a little sluggish at first, but it seems like it has a pretty good flush on it so far. We'll take the tank open. Alright, there's a 1989 Fluid Master 400A and a brand new Corky flapper and a generic handle, which actually some of the Briggs toilets do come equipped with a handle that looks like this. And I'm kind of leaning towards the Mansfield because this one's a little on the pitted side, although it does kind of match the style of the toilet. So. And before I end the video, I'm going to give it another flush. Now you probably noticed that there's two water levels in the tank. One where it says water line and one marked water saver. I tried it at the water saver line and it just didn't seem to have a good flush. In fact, the flush was incomplete. So I've raised the water level up to the correct water line, and it seems to be working great. So, pardon all the junk in the background, but we're going to go with either that or the flapper.